Welcome back to Autocar 024, the 2025 40th generation Toyota 4Runner restoration. This SUV is a nod to the iconic 4Runner legacy, blending modern performance with classic rugged design. Let's take a detailed look at its exterior, performance, interior features, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 4Runner restoration retains its muscular, boxy stance, which is a hallmark of the 4Runner series. The front features a bold grille with a refined, modern touch, complemented by new LED headlights and a more aggressive bumper design. The robust fender flares give it a powerful presence, and the updated alloy wheels enhance its off-road appeal. Toyota has made sure the design feels both retro and fresh, paying tribute to the classic 4Runner while adding contemporary upgrades. The exterior finishes, including the matte options and bold color choices, stand out as Toyota has really focused on giving the 4Runner a more premium, adventurous look. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner continues to offer strong performance, perfect for off-road enthusiasts. It's equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 278 pounds-feet of torque. The vehicle is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive shifting, whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising on highways. The 4Runner delivers exceptional power and stability. The vehicle also offers impressive towing capabilities, ideal for hauling trailers or off-road equipment. Additionally, the 4Runner's off-road-ready suspension and advanced 4WD system ensure that it can handle tough terrain with ease, making it a go-to choice for adventure seekers. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 4Runner has been thoughtfully upgraded. The cabin offers a spacious layout, with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers. The upholstery is durable yet comfortable, perfect for both rugged adventures and everyday drives. The dashboard design is clean, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. The control buttons and knobs are well placed, ensuring ease of use while driving. In terms of safety, the 4Runner comes with Toyota's Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it a safe and reliable option for families. As for pricing, the 2025 4Runner restoration starts at approximately $40,000, which positions it competitively within the mid-size SUV market. While the price may vary based on trim levels and optional features, the 4Runner offers great value for its ruggedness, off-road ability, and interior comfort. In conclusion, the 2025 4Runner restoration is a fantastic option for those who want a vehicle that combines off-road capabilities, a timeless design, and modern features. If you're in the market for an SUV that can handle everything from city streets to rough trails, the 2025 4Runner is definitely worth considering.